पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Now it will go ahead. The next paragraph, I'll tell see the bhashya there. Second, next page you see 236. 236. One or two lines I'll show you so that our knowledge becomes firm. Okay. He says, Sahayah, third line, Sahaya kaschit anyam anatma vishesham putradikam priyataram atmana sakashat bruvanam. So, one is there, Bruyad Priyavadi Atmavadi. So, this Atmavadi is telling. So, क्या लिखा है? Atmana sakashat. Who sees that sun etc. are more dear than the Atma. To this person, Atmavadi is talking. Again I will repeat. Sahayaha kaschid anyam anatma vishesham putradikam priyataram atmana sakashat brvanam. So, Atmana sakashat, that means compared to Atma, there is an Atmavadi who says, I have a lot of joy. This is called, he is extremely extrovert person. He likes something, I like my son. For him, he is giving a warning. Who? Atmavadi. Vichara warning de rahe hain. Priyam tav abhimatam. Underline this. Priyam tav abhimatam putradi lakshanam rodsyati. Your dear will make you cry. Bale yaar, after making me cry, I will cry now. Why you are saying it will make you cry? Because you will have lot of sense of joy, but external object and person won't be there. Sadness means you have a sense of thought that this has joy, but you have surety that I won't get it what I where I love a lot, that thing won't I get it. Upanishad is like mother. They are trying to cure our problem. So putradi lakshanam rodsyati avaranam prana sanrodham prapsyati. That means avaranam. Avaranam means cessation of the prana. Vinangshati. Oh, Bhashyakar does not leave anything. I was avoiding this word. बोले खत्म हो जाएगा वो एकदम. खत्म ही कर दिया आपने. Vinangshati. ओह अच्छा भाई ठीक है. बोले therefore he is using first use the tactics that Atma alone has all the joy. Now he is using another tactics to take you out from that. He is creating a fear that see, if you get too much dependent there, you will not get a suitable response at any time and you will have no one to hold on to. No one to hold on to. And in that condition, you will, people say like that, बोले अब पूरी जिंदगी हम ऐसे ही रहेंगे. People use such words. I have lost that person. Now whole life I have to live with the memory that I lost. I have to live with the memory that I have no wife. I have to live with that memory that I have no husband. I have to live with the memory I have no son. मतलब दे आर ऑलरेडी एक्सेप्टिंग दैट आई विल क्राई। कितनी बड़ी बेवकूफ़ी की बात है। इट इज सच अ बिग फुलिशनेस। आई एम रिपीटिंग इट। गीता, रामायण, दे डोंट एट ऑल इंडोर्स सच काइंड ऑफ माइंडसेट। अरे आत्मा तो नहीं गई ना तुम्हारी। दैट विच इज ऑफ द नेचर ऑफ जॉय, अगर वो चली जाए तो बताना फिर। दैट सेल्फ इज देयर विच हैज ऑल द जॉय। भगवान तो नहीं गए ना। सो इफ यू हैड सेड आई विल नेवर गेट लॉर्ड लॉ, वी बेटर क्राई। But you had superimposed all the joy in one bag of 5 elements. ये कहाँ की बुद्धिमानी भाई? One bag of 5 elements. एक बैग है भाई, और क्या है? Sophisticated bag है, which breathes also, eats also. Which? This bag? Yes. अब some have bigger bag, that's another bag. So it eats also, breathes also, cries also, lives also. है तो बैग ही है. This is like envelope. एक लिफाफा है. अब in that 5 element, you have superimposed all the joys of the world. पूरी मेरी दुनिया है ये स्वामी जी, मेरा बच्चा नहीं है, ये पूरी मेरी दुनिया है. ऐसी ऐसी बात करते. मेरे दिल का ये टुकड़ा है, मेरे लीवर का टुकड़ा है, ये मेरी जान है ये पूरी. When people say I feel my God, क्या कर रहा है ये आदमी? लड़का कम से कम बाहर जाएगा पढ़ाई के लिए. He'll go outside at least. He'll go to other place to study. ये आदि करता रहेगा उसको, क्योंकि 2 people will separate. सर्वे संयोग वियोगांता. Mahabharat one line says, all meeting is for departing. When this child will go away to other place to study, or grandchild will go away, अब फिर हम रोज बात करेंगे कैसे हो, क्या है, क्या कर रहे हो यार तुम, क्या कर रहे हो तुम? Are you spoiling yourself? And supposing, God forbid, if he doesn't give me response after marriage or before marriage, पता नहीं, mind anybody can. After that you will be lost. बोले हमारा तो कुछ है ही नहीं अब. Where shall I go now? People use such words. Where shall you go? Whom shall I talk to now? अब मजा आ रहा है. दिल का टुकड़ा बनाया था, ये मेरा सब कुछ है, सब कुछ है, मेरा मुन्नू चुन्नू. Just feel like hugging you so much. So good you are. कितना अच्छा है ये. Good. अच्छा, भगवान is very tricky. You know what he does? I am telling you, don't tell it to anybody. He does, if you love someone too much, he sees that either that person goes away or he becomes a source of sorrow for you. ये ऐसा कुछ करते हैं. This is such hidden laws are there. And you will flutter a lot. छटपटाते रहोगे आप उसके बिना. Because system is meant to make you realize something. Whole situation is education cell is there. कुछ तो करेंगे वो. बोले what shall I do? At least attend the class and understand that. Therefore, Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji had to say, Satsangatve Nisangatvam. Because in the satsang only you realize, Are, for 1 hour I didn't want anybody, still I was happy. ये तो राम कथा में बड़ा आनंद है, कृष्ण कथा में बड़ा आनंद है. उपनिषद is very good. I never thought it is so interesting. I thought it is very boring and very, very difficult. But it is not that difficult. I think I also have intellect. After coming to Upanishad class, I realized I am intelligent. Achha, achha. we don't know that. इतना ज़्यादा प्यार कर रहे हो. I'm repeating it. I'm not saying don't love. Somebody was asking love and attachment one day. I'm making a differentiation. Please be very clear. Clear about love and attachment. We feel, sadhus etc. don't have attachment, they have love. बोले इनको तो माया मोह है नहीं. एक दिन somebody's child was there, boy, he was not loving mother. बोले स्वामी जी उसका माया मोह खत्म हो गया. हमने कहा उसको ज्ञान हो गया. बोले नहीं, हमसे बात नहीं कर रहे हो, उसका हमसे कोई माया मोह नहीं है. So we use the word maya moh in a very loose way. देखो अटैचमेंट और लव को अच्छे से समझ लेना चाहिए. अटैचमेंट इज व्हेन वी वांट जॉय फ्रॉम समबडी. लव इज व्हेन वी वांट टू गिव जॉय टू समबडी सीइंग द गॉड इन हिम. आई एम फीडिंग समबडी. आई एम नॉट फीडिंग बिकॉज आई हैव टू oblige you. That God who gave me food every day of my life, I am feeding the God in you. I am not talking to you to please you, I am talking to the God in you. आप खुश होके जाइए हमसे. The attachment is I want joy from you, and if you don't give me, I'll be angry. And in love, if you don't give joy, no problem, I'll give you joy. Number 1 point. Number 2 point. In attachment, I demand importance from other person. And you keep on scanning, am I important for him or not? देखते रहते हैं, what is my rating today? And I will do every circus and everything to see that I am important for you. I peep your heart to see. I hope my place nobody else is taking. And therefore never make anybody very important in your life, because the time will come if you can't give that importance, that person will totally get lost. We don't know how to live in this world. Too much attention to one person, you will be in trouble. Because you cannot give, बहुत तारीफ मत करो किसी की, पता नहीं कल क्या हो. So second point is that I see I am important. I am not important. In love, I give you importance. Second point. Third point. In attachment, I see some goodness and therefore I want love from you. Third point. In love, even if I don't see any goodness, I will still give importance to you. So Gurudev used to put it beautifully. We are attached because of, we are loving in spite of. Third point. Fourth point. When I love a person or when I am attached person, both time I see the person. But when I love, I want to see. I see the God in you. क्या अच्छाई है इसके अंदर ऐसी. How the God is expressing. And if I am attached, I see whether I am there in you or not. Am I important for you? Will you miss me if I go away? Such questions they ask. They asked me also. Swami, will you miss me? आपको हमारी याद नहीं आती? Point blank, some people ask the question. I don't say anything because food I have to eat. बोले, you don't remember me? कौन झगड़ा मोल ले भाई? You remember me? I will say yes. No, don't say clearly yes. You say clearly yes, I remember you very much. I said, Bhai, this is not true. I don't remember you so much. I am not meant to remember like that. I have to do my God's work. I have to study. I have to contemplate. My talks are there. I am in meditation. If I remember you, how will I pass my day? Sadhu is not remembered to remember everybody. When I don't remember my mother and father. Somebody said, you did not wish me happy birthday. I said, in my life I never wished my mother, father happy birthday. I don't remember birthdays also. Well, oh, you remember so many shlokas, you can't remember birthday. Every year I tell. Such a person who is attached, he is a leech. I'm using a strong word. He is a sucker. He is not a giver. I went to somebody's house, Miksha was there. That lady came to me. Lot of people were there. Other city. She said, Swamiji, lot of people have come. You please give attention to them, not to me. And I will talk any other time. But these people won't get a chance. देखा आपने? एक love में attention is pleasing the God. In attachment, attention is pleasing the imaginary, inflated, hypothetical, self-big assumed ego. And such people are very sad because their attachment is not satisfiable. If I want attention, attachment will always make you sad because nobody can fulfill the demand. It is illogical demand. Well, don't talk to him, talk to me only. आपने उनसे क्यों बात किया? When I am there. It is illogical बात कर रहे हैं. He is talking illogical. Why you are taking seva from him when I am there? When I brought the food, why you are taking food from him? He should not give me food. When I am already serving. A person becomes highly intolerant and angry person. Acha, attached person does a lot for the whom he is attached to. But all is for this ahankar. And such people suffer a lot. And other person feels that he is imposing too much. Other person also realizes that this person is too much on my head. He is like a jail for you. And lover is like a wings for you. One who loves, he gives you wings and wheels. One who is attached, he brings you in a cage. I hope the difference is clear between love and attachment. Love makes a person independent. Attachment makes a person dependent. In loving, you come closer to God. In attachment, you get farther from the God. Attachment is a sensual level. Love is a God level. Attachment ends in pain. Love doesn't end. I hope this much is clear. Love will never make you cry. बोले हमने तो एक आदमी से प्यार ही नहीं किया. I love the God in him. And if he is not there in this form, I'll serve the God in another form. वो भगवान हमारे रूप में थे. Okay, this रूप is not okay. Another रूप he wants, I'll serve another form. It's okay. ये हमारे राम ये रूप थे, हमारी कृष्ण के ये रूप थे. ठीक है. आदमी little emotions he will have, but not that he feel I have nothing now. सब खत्म हो गया. ये सब खत्म हो गया ना. This is with attachment. सब लुट गया हमारा, हम बर्बाद हो गए. ये सब क्या बात कर रहे हो? अभी हम मारेंगे तुमको, तुम ठीक हो जाओगे. So that thought should not be there. If Bhagwan Ram was attached to anybody, he wouldn't have done his duty. Don't think he didn't love his father. He didn't love his mother. वो भी रोए. When he heard in Chitrakoot that my father is no more, he cried. He didn't eat food. But if he had only sense of joy in his father, he wouldn't have left the palace. Or if he had too attached to kingdom, he wouldn't have left the kingdom. Bole, why should I leave? First thing, I always say, it is a mental AIDS. Like AIDS make you vulnerable to all the diseases. One who has attachment, anger will be there, frustration will be there, ego will be there, possession will be there, jealousy will be there. All other mental diseases will follow after that. And this is called Rotsyati. Upanishad is warning us. So we have to make mental readjustment. And therefore I always say, either God should be very important or self should be very important. World is a very good means, but very bad goal. Family is a very good means, very bad goal. Money is a good means, bad goal. Family is very good. People think spiritual life is not for family. No, why not? Now I'll go ahead. So last line it is said, one who does upasana. Again go to 237th page. See, lot of time has been given so that we are more established. Okay. You have to internalize it. Sa yaha atmanam eva priyam upasate. Here upasana, I had told there are two meanings to this line. One is for jnani, other is for mandatikari. Upaste here means one who knows that Atma alone is the dearest thing. Sahya Atmanam eva priyam upasate. What he says, Atma eva priya na anya astiti pratipadyate. Pratipadyate underline, knows. Pratipadyate means knows. Page 237, first paragraph. Anyat Laukikam priyam api apriyam eva. ओहो बाप रे, क्या करें यार, बोल दें. He is saying worldly things, although they are appearing very dear, they are actually not dear. Priyam api apriyam eva. Therefore I like शंकर भाष्य. हमें तो लगता है प्रणामी करते रहे इनको. It is Shivji's वाणी. At the age of 18, who can write commentary on everything? 7-year-old took sannyas. Circumambulated India 3 times. On foot. Badri Kedar he can go. Pashupatinath he can go. So much stotras he has written. Minakshi Pancharatnam, Ganesh Pancharatnam, Ganga Stotram, Mahishasur Mardani, Narmada Ashtakam. Oh my God. One list I will give you one day. You will be baffled. You will understand this is not human. You will understand this is not any human being. Itna kuch likha hai. And God willing, I have a wish to take Brahma Sutra someday. All Brahma Sutra. If you hear that, biggest commentaries are on simple aphorisms. Well, these worldly things, priyam api, although they appear, but apriyam eva. Iti nischitya upaste chintyati. One who is constantly thinking like that. Chintyati. Upaste he has translated as chintyati. Chintyati means he thinks, he knows by the logic that I gave. Na ha asya. That is not hasya. It's not hasya means laugh. Na ha asya evam vidaha. 6th case of this person. Priyam pramayitum pramanashilam bhavati. So, his pri atma, because his atma alone is pri. So here, asya evam vidah priyam means atma, his self. doesn't die. That means he knows that I am eternal. Because he is doing the upasana of the, he is contemplating on the self only. This is Gyan. Somebody said, but I am not that great. So, okay, he is not that great. Acha, acha. So, next line he writes, Nitya anuvad matram etad atmvidah anyasya priyasya priyasya cha bhavat. But one who knows the self, for him world does not exist. So there is no question of anybody is dear or not dear. He alone is there. But hum dabbu hain. I don't know many things. I am not establishing that knowledge. What about me? For you also I am telling you, don't get anxious, okay? Remain quiet. So, mandatma darshina. See the. Are you seeing the line? Last but one line. So, mandatma darshina atma priya grahanastutyartham va. So, this statement is for the praise of the stuti of the dearness of the self. Priya guna phal vidanartham. And what is the fruit of that? If he does the upasana that Atma is of the nature of joy, Atma is of the nature of joy, what will happen? Dear and near will not die too much in front of you. This phal hai. Priya guna phal vidanartham. So this is for his upasana. He will not be thinking of the death of somebody. So this is for stuti of the Atma or priya guna phal vidhanartham. Something, his death will not be very common to see for him in his life. So this is the beautiful mantra. I wanted we should more concentrate because we will be very much using these mantras as a sadhana. So we will see. Now this topic is going to another topic now. Tell me. What? Tell me. What is how that Atma is Brahman? Can you tell me once more? Why not? But next class.